Hello everyone and welcome back. So we are doing Bus and Coach Spotting Volume 6. This episode is probably just buses actually, but I've decided to rename it Bus and Coaches because sometimes I do actually spot coaches as well. So we're starting off with Stagecoach today.
This is handy. This is really a Stagecoach.
Can't beat a nice Enviro 430.
No, it's just regular Stagecoach. What? Stitch! You know to start with Stitch? Yeah, you know. They can look and they can smile. That's what this camera's good for. Yeah, but now the bus is going to go straight ahead. It's 28 bus. I'm wondering if I ought to be in the other lane to get around it. That's my thinking process behind that. It is now, yeah.
Not be a very fast bus.
It's a bus.
It'll stop somewhere, does it overtake?
Exit the roundabout onto Kelham Road.
Not going to go up the club.
Continue on A617 for 12 miles.
Okay, so we've got a couple of random bus spots now for you to enjoy.
Got them out to go there.
They're probably just brand new ones.
Yeah, they are. Oh, 24 plate. Another one. And another one. And another one. Yeah, it says F1 on it, but those don't say F1. And another one.
Then there's also a coach.
Yeah, the coach is not out to do with them, I don't think. Yeah, look. That's like 6 or 7 of these electric buses we've seen now.
Road, B600.
Stealth bus.
So that's it everyone, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please make sure you hit that like button, I would really appreciate it. And check out the playlist where you will find more bus and coach spots. Thank you very much and goodbye.